Progressive food store. This is in Jamaica. Progressive food store in Jamaica. Yeah? So. Yes.
What's up? You alright?
Yeah, man.
Hey, what's happening?
They are good. Yeah. Oh, fine, man. Something I know. Some ladies that love them something long, love them long ding dong. Never find any juice up there now. Where am I gonna find that juice? That juice, that long but deep. Over there. Where am I gonna find the juice? Oh ja, måste jag säga det. Måste den ha dessa öra avsluta. Ja. Cash. I don't know how much it is. I don't know how much it is. I'm gonna go make them find out. I'm make them check your well for some stuff. Take your price.
Say my Karen, yes.
Take your price. Take your price. Coming out. One, right? No, no, this year. Close out now. Scale. No. No, sir. I don't want to look something for you myself.
Okay, you look for something for yourself. Okay, you go do.
Yeah,
You
something.
look for that baby and pick me and sit in the baby. Don't turn man. Oh, of course, what happened?
Yeah.
Then turn man. Alright, let's pretend.
Ah, deal. Go. Yeah? How they going? Yeah.
Big rider.
That's a drive.
Different driver.
Rider. Yeah, man, you know the plan of riding too. You're supposed to have a big rider.
Yeah, little rider.
So yeah. You know married one? You know. Again, a divorce.
Big rider?
Divorce. Well, I don't know married one. So. Oh God. I'll come go in go get some. Huh? We're not working now. Now come go lie down, yeah man. But this is what I come here to buy.